In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to indent text in Mailchimp so your emails look neat and professional. Once you log in, head to the campaign section and select the campaign you want to edit. Click Edit Design to open the email editor. Now, here's the trick. Mailchimp doesn't have a direct indent button, but you can use the padding option in the editor. Select the text block you're working on, then adjust the padding values to push your text inward and create that clean indentation effect. Play around with the numbers until the spacing looks just right. Even small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and design. And that's it. You've successfully indented text in Mailchimp. A small detail, but one that makes your emails look polished and professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Mailchimp tips. Happy emailing!